In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote my Windows Server virtual machine to a domain controller. So at first, I'm going to come here at my AWS. I have already connected, so I'm going to tap it. The new tab is going to open. After opening, it's loading. Then I will tap to EC2. Yeah, EC2. Still opening. Now from here, I'm going to tap on instances. So after instances, yeah, I'm going to connect my virtual machine. So after connecting, I'm going to come to RDP. After coming to RDP, I'm going to, I already have the machine, so I'm going to open it. As you can see, I have completed to my Windows Server virtual machine. In fact, I have connected to my Windows Server machine using remote desktop. Right now, I'm signing in as the administrator. In this assignment, I will install Active Directory Domain Service. Then I promote this server to a domain controller. I create a separate domain administrator account, and then I will name it domain admin and then log in using that account. So I'm connecting to open up my Windows virtual machine. So I'm going to paste the password here. It has frozen. So I have opened. So as it's loading, I have signed in as administrator. So okay, still loading. I don't know why it's taking long. Briefly, Server Manager is the main management console for Windows servers. From here, I can install server roles such as Active Directory, Domain. So I'm going to tap here, add roles and future. Still collecting. Let it finish. Still collecting. Yeah, finally I think it's done. It's collecting. I tap add, then I will tap next, then here I leave it to be here. Then I will tap next. Then I will tap next. Here I will check Active Directory Domain. Active Directory Domain Service. Like that. Then I will add that feature to my server. Then I will click next. then I click next, then I click next, then I install. So here I am installing the Active Directory Domain Service role. This role allows the server to store directory information, authenticate users, and centrally manage computers, users, and security policies. This feature I'm installing. So the installation is still in progress, as you can see on your desktop, on your screen, still installing. So I'm waiting for it to install. As you can see, it's still installing. Yes, it's moving. How many percent? I don't know why it's taking long. It's taking somehow long, but it's installing. So the installation is done, as you can see. So from here I'm going to come here where there is a red flag. I tap on it. After tapping on it, I'm going to promote this server to the domain server. Now I click here. So it's being promoted. Now installing the ADS load does not automatically make the server a domain controller. The server must now be promoted as I'm promoting it. So here I'm going to come here and then I add a new forest. So a new forest, as we are instructed, it is the ensign.com. Sorry, com should be in small letter like this. So ensign.com. Sorry, I have to write N, capital N, ensign.com, as we were told in the instructions. So I click next. So after clicking next, let me first look in the assignment. So let me look at the assignment. We are told add a new forest, name ensign.com, set as long password. So the password they were not given, so I'm going to put mine. So the one I'm going to put is going to be 927626 hash. The same here. Then I click next. As you can see, so let me repeat. Now let us repeat this. Yeah, this one it has worked. Now from here, I click next. I click next. 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 Yeah. Now I will install. So I have selected new forest and entered my domain name. I also created a directory service restore mode password, which is used only for recovery if Active Directory domain needs to be repaired. So I'm waiting for it to finish. As you can see, it's loading, it's installing. The installation is still in progress. As you can see, secure machine, secure cables, policy configuring, and the DNS server service on the computer. So it's still installing. So as you can see, the installation is done and it's now restarting. It's so the machine is restarting. Okay, let me repeat it. I reconnect. Initializing, connecting. Connecting. Oh, right. As you can see, now the server has restarted. The server has restarted and Active Directory domain is now installed. I am logging in so I can create a separate domain administrator account. So I'm waiting for it to open. So it's still loading. As you can see, there is no start icon. That's what I'm waiting. So I'm going to tap here. Tap here. Now here I'm going to come to tools. I'm going to come to Active Directory users. and computer. I tap. Now after here, I'm going to expand the N sign. Then I click user. Now from user, I will right click on users. Then I choose new. I go to user, choose user. Now first name, I write domain. Last name, I write administrator, then user logo name, I will write domain admin, then I will click next. Then I will uncheck here. Then I will check password never expire. I click next. Then I click finished. Now I have created a new domain username, domain admin. This account will be used instead of the building administrator account to clearly demonstrate that I am logging into the domain. Sorry, I never put the password, so I will put the password. The password is weak, so let me put this. The same here. Next, finish. Yeah, I have created. So I look for domain admin here. So here in users, I will look for the one I have just created. The one I have just created. Come here, I right click, properties, I'm still looking for it's here. This is the account I have created. I will come to property. I will come here to member of. Then I will click add. Then I will type domain admin. Domain admins. I will click check the names. After I click OK, I click apply, then I click OK. Now the account has been created, but it still needs administrative privileges. I am adding it to the domain administrator group, so it has domain-wide administrative rights. So I will come here, I come to property, I come to member of, so this confirms that domain admin belongs to the domain admins group. Yeah. So I'm going to click start here. I'm going to come here, then I want to sign out. So here I'm not seeing sign out icon. Let me just shut it down. So I'm shutting it. So now I'm logging in. Still connecting. Now opening. So it's still loading. I'm waiting for window icon to appear here. So I'm going to click here. So I don't know, it's taking long to respond. So from here I'm going to look for task manager. So I come to users. You can see administrator. So that is it. Now for the graphical verification, I open Task Manager and selected the user tab. The coinciding account is administrator. So I'm going to use another verification, which you see here. So it's opening. Let me ask him, who am I? It's taking long, I don't know why, but who am I? Yeah, it's ensign administrator. Who am I? Is ensign administrator. So for the command line verification I used is the who am I, the outcome. So I'll come back into service Active Directory user and computer. I open up, still loading. I'll come here to tools. I'll come to active users and computer. So here, as you can see, this confirms that Active Directory domain service is installed and enabled on the server, as you can see. Yeah, in this video I have installed the Windows server. I have installed Active Directory domain services and promoted the Windows server to a domain controller by creating a new forest named ensign.com, created a domain administrator account named domain admin, added it to the domain admins group, logged in using the account and verified the logged in using both task manager and the who am I command. This demonstrates successful deployment and basic administration of Active Directory domain service. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.